Okay, YouTubers, today we have Brooklyn and Vanessa playing in a 2.5 by 6 foot area on a Tommy 2-lane racetrack. Today we'd like to show you how you can have fun playing HO scale slot car racing in a small space. We're operating T-Jet cars at, let's see, looks like 9.2 volts. Yeah. So, here we go. So you really don't have to have tons and tons of power on a small layout. In fact, it's best to turn the power down so you're not destroying your cars. We have a high bank turn at this end, an inside corner down at the other end, so we have to turn left and right. And shortly we will run the drag track. Yes, we have a drag track also. On a table that is 2.5 foot wide by 6 foot long. You ready? We're going to do 3 laps. Ready, set, go. There's 1. There's 2. And the Mustang wins it. Guess, Brooklyn, you need a faster car.
Yeah, I do.
Alright, that's how we clean the tires, people. Roll your back tires on some duct tape. Helps to clean the tires and dust the track. That's how we clean the pickup shoes. Get them nice and shiny. Electrical contact is so very important in this hobby. Okay, cut.
You're gonna miss the green button, that's when you go.
Okay, now we're going to drag race. We have an Auto World drag track, 2 Auto World cars. Then we're going to go faster here in a minute. Okay.
Oh. Dang it. You need to stop hitting that red light.
Brooklyn's getting trigger happy.
Stop.
Okay, this is with the Auto World 4-gear cars.
Let it go.
Oops.
Oh, it's because it wasn't on the track.
Well, that would help.
Brooklyn. One time we did it right. No, I'm so confident in myself.
Okay, another run of those and we'll go to faster cars.
Yay.
Okay, now we're going to step it up and go from Auto World 4 gear to Tyco 440X 2 cars.
Oh, they stay!
Yes, at the end we have a Tomy AFX wall climber track section, and with that 15-inch straightaway it acts as a pretty decent shutdown. Well, some of them get away from us. Brooklyn's body popped off. Got it lined up and then just snap it in. Ta-da!
It doesn't matter.
All right, let's try something different. Let's try something in my box there. This next demonstration, let's try. We have
Oh, yes.
these top fuel cars. Now wait a minute, get your paws back. This one here is a 4-gear plate Auto World. Not real fast. Who wants this one?
Me.
You want that one? Okay, now Brooklyn, pick one of those in there. Now turn this one over. Let's show the difference. See, this one here has a modified inline attached to an Auto World chassis. Okay. Let's show you the extreme difference between the Auto World chassis to the right and the modified Wizard chassis attached to the Auto World top fuel car. This is going to be fun. Well, the Auto World just sat there. Is it even going? Okay. Gas it. Gas it. Keep it gassed. Okay, now stop. I'll try it again. Okay, Auto World versus Wizard. Auto World didn't stand a chance. In fact, did it stop or did you stop?
No, it stopped.
Oh, piece of crap. Okay, well, we'll put that in the box because those are no fun. Grab one. Let's just go heads up Wizard versus Wizard with an Auto World body. These are definitely heavily modified, people. They're made to drag race. Those Auto World cars, I don't know what they're made for. Probably just to look good. Here we go. Nice. Brooklyn, get that one?
But she got the red light, so I can which one.
Oh, Brooklyn jumped the light again.
I'm getting too car happy.
Here we go. Dang. Almost launched that one. I think you red lighted, Vanessa.
I did.
Somebody's got a trigger happy finger there.
I went.
Wait till green, or right before green.
No.
It wouldn't have turned red if you had taken off too quick. Whatever. Vanessa got that one. Alright, well, that's the drag track. Slot car racing in a 2.5 foot by 6 foot area. That gives us something to do because it's quite wintry out there, isn't it, girls? How cold is it out there right now? 7 degrees. Welcome to Michigan. Alright, tell everybody bye.